Right, we're just going to quickly flash the bootloader onto my Ender 3. So I'm just going to very quickly try to show the setup. So I couldn't find my Uno. I'm going to go through the setup in detail as such. Plenty of videos. I'll try to link one in the description. But we've got connections here from a 101, Genuino 101. I said I couldn't find my Uno for some reason. Must have used it for a different project, but that should work anyway. It's Uno based. And then obviously we're going into the Melcy board here. Again, connections. I'll leave a description to a very good video and link that. It's just to quickly show that we can do it with other boards than just an Uno. Right, we are compiling the sketch. I said I'm not going to go through the whole process because it's brilliantly covered by lots of other people uploading. Let's go over to the old Ender 3 and see what happens. Yeah, just a quick run around here. I've done some cable clips for the PTFE tube. We've got a nice big knob there, because I like me big knobs, I do. Ho, ho, ho. And what do we got? Ender 3 ready. We have the TH3D software on Firmware, so hopefully that should give us a few extra features. And yeah, let's do some printing, lads and gals. Nice.